Magamba Nature Forest Reserve, a place of sights and scenes. It is located in the northeastern part of Tanzania between Lushoto and Korogwe districts of Tanga region. The reserve is part of the Usambara Mountain Ranges. Magamba Nature Forest Reserve is uniquely identified by a rock which has the footprint of a human being's foot, known as God's Stone. Visitors can experience the flora and fauna of the reserve, walking and hiking tours through its beautiful mountain forest. Listen to the sounds of birds and animals like blue monkeys and black and white colobus monkeys with endemic Usambara nightjar. Visit to explore life in nature.